Alright guys, I'm going to go on an adventure. Da, da, da. Okay, so let's start this adventure. I would do it if I had transportation, but clearly I have no means of transportation. Dang it! Well, looks like I gotta do this on foot. 5 hours later. Guys, I'm getting pretty winded. I'm getting kind of hungry. Because all I'm doing now is just walk, wonka donkey dinky donkey licka licka dinky bunky beaky dicka beach. Oh look guys, I found a red robin. Yeah, I'll totally eat it. Are you okay with that, Robin? Yeah, that's cool, man. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna kill ya. Okay, guys, I found a rock. I'm gonna kill this bird. Dang it, I missed. Hold on, I got plenty of rocks. Just you wait. Yeah, I'd like to see you try. Prepare to meet your demise, bird. Oh crap, there's a bee. Ha ha, how are you gonna get me now? Shut up. Bees are my most allergic thing ever. Well, that and pollen. Cause you know what? Screw pollen and screw spring. I am going to get so much hate for that, but you know what? Whatever. Hello, Mr. B. Or Miss B. I see that you're doing that. Ah, God. Okay. You win this time, bird. Ha ha ha! I win all the times. Ha ha! Well, that dumb bird. Looks like I gotta find some new food. Gosh, man, I'm so hungry. You! Quack, I'm a duck. And this is my child. What up? Can I eat you too? No, we're just birds, man. I'm the last of my kind. I mean, come on, like somebody help me. Okay, look, I won't eat your child. I'll just eat you. Look, I gotta survive, man. What? Hey, look, it's Father Duck. Really? No. Yes! Alright, guys, I killed it. Why did you do that to my mom? Yeah, I don't care about your mom. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that tastes good. Cat! Man, now I'm thirsty. I mean, you know, in every Survivor show, the survivor always drinks his, you know, pee. But, I'm not like that. No. I'm just gonna survive without pee. A few hours later. Guys, I am really getting thirsty. Ugh. Oh God, it's miserable. I really gotta pee. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not drinking my piss. This is not right. Huh. What's that sound? This sign says to drink, to pause and drink Coca-Cola. The sign is mocking me. Oh, screw it, guys. I'm gonna just freaking drink my pee. Can't believe I'm drinking my own piss. Why is it clear like that? I haven't even ate in days. Whatever. I'm sorry about littering. Well, bottoms up. Adios mío, por favor. That wasn't so bad. Gotta have good piss. Well, looks like it's gonna be nighttime. I gotta find a place to go to sleep. Good night, nature. You're a cruel bitch.